Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a mountain gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 5-spoke 18-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Come around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Our media display. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Excuse me. This GLA has 45,418 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.